Hey guys, I just got done filming this eye makeup look. If you would like to do it, go ahead and keep on watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get going. What I'm going to do is go in with my Hangover RX base primer. I have to cut it open because it's not coming out, so hopefully this doesn't explode on me. There's so much coming out now. Of course. Okay. So now I'll just put this cap back on. I'm just gonna reach my finger in there and just make sure that I get enough. That's enough. That's plenty. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on my face. I have been wanting to do a yellow orangey eyeshadow look for a while. I do a lot of times put like a caramel orange in my eyes, but not like a boom orange sunset looking type. Next step is I'm going to do my foundation. You know, I should probably be more organized, but that's not a thing. I'm actually going to be using my favorite drugstore foundation today. This is the Stay Matte by Rimmel London, and I am using the color Porcelain Ivory. Okay. So let's open this up, and here we go. I'm just going to put this all over my face. This stuff is like super thick, and it's not like, the first time you use it, it's gonna feel heavy because it's one of like a heavier, it's kind of like a mousse formula, but I personally think this is like a really good full coverage for super cheap. I think it's like $6. It's not that expensive. I have every shade because when I do makeup and stuff, this is the stuff that I use because I have found that this stuff agrees with more skin types than any other foundation that I've tried. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. And then, okay, this is the Morphe Y6, by the way. This is my favorite foundation brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender and just make sure everything looks nice and blend it out and it doesn't look cakey, or if I miss a spot. I have like this like rash of acne above my lip, which I'm gonna get some concealer here in just a second to cover that up. Okay. First, I'm going to set my foundation. I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is also drugstore and shade 130. Using my NARS concealer. This is the little tube in shade Vanilla. I bought the little tube because I just wanted to try it. I don't like to buy the full size and then hate something, and then I hate myself for wasting my money on it. So I'm gonna put this underneath my eyes. Oh, that side looks very wow. Okay. And then above my lip to help cover up that acne a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go down here, a little bit there. But there's like nothing up there. We go. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna go back in with my Beauty Blender to blend this out. But just to brighten up the under eye just a little bit and set that concealer, I'm going to go with the Fit Me Fat Matte and Poreless. But this is the shade 110. I believe this is the lightest shade that they have. So just going to pop that under the eye. And up in here and down here. And there is that. Next, I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'm clearly going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. To conceal underneath my brows, I'm going to be using the Morphe M421. I need to pluck my eyebrows real badly. I really don't know why my eyebrows look 10 times darker on my camera. Maybe if I shut my light off, it'll be better. Nope, they still look way darker than what they are, but you know, we're gonna roll with it today. I am taking a lighter powder and going over them anyways. I just feel like they get a little bit too much sometimes. Maybe for this look today, I'm mainly going to focus on the Morphe 35B palette. Whoa, I about lost you guys. This is what the palette looks like. It is just full of colors. So, you know, this yellow and this orange is really what I'm going to be focusing on the most. So yeah. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for my lid, but I do know that this is just going to be like prime my lids. First off, I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion again that I used in my first video because it was the first one that I grabbed. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Okay, so I'm going to put this color right in here. It's kind of a neutral color. I don't think these have names. They don't. So I'm just going to take this color and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. So next I'm going to dip into this yellow color right here, and I'm really going to bring it up to like probably about here. So I'm just gonna pop that into my crease. Ooh, that is really pretty. So we're just gonna blend. We're gonna bring it as far up as you desire. I'm gonna bring it up pretty far to really get it out there and noticeable. I've only ever done one other look with this palette, and it is my 4th of July look, which was a blue smoky eye. Oh my god, I loved it. I was very impressed with myself. So just like that, and I'll do the same on the other eye. So there is that, and then so I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to dip into that orange very lightly And I'm just going to pop that really just right in here. Just bring it out just a little bit more. And then I'm going to take my Naked Smoky Eye brush, and I'm really just going to blend the two colors together. I'm going to take this kind of like a little bit lighter orange color. I'm going to go in with that Morphe R39 brush again, and I'm just going to take that and I'm just very lightly going to bring it this way. A little bit of a flick motion. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M573 brush. I'm going to go back into that yellow color one last time, and I'm just going to pop it up just like this, just to bring the yellow back, because it did kind of disappear on me. And the yellow is really the whole point of this, so it kind of... So then I have to decide what color I'm going to do for my lids. I am going to do a glittery color. I'm going to dip into my Jaclyn Hill palette here, and let's have a look and see. There is this like yellow shimmery color in this one, but I'm not digging it. Like, it's not something that I really want to like bring this look together. So I don't know what I'm going to choose. Let me hop into my other Morphe palette. There is this gold color in here, this one right here. I think we're gonna go with that one. Let me just swatch that real quick. So that's what it looks like on my finger. And I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. It's like a goldy color. I think that's what I'm going to go with. So close these palettes up. So my first step is to put the glitter primer on my eyelids. Whoa, it squirted out. Okay. So I put a little bit of it on the back of my hand. This is by NYX. You can also use a concealer. So I'm just gonna take that and we're gonna pop it on the lid. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same for the other eye. This is the 35O palette for Morphe. Again, I'm just gonna go in with this gold color right here. And I'm just gonna pop that on the lid. And pop in a little bit more yellow over here on the sides just to blend it in with my glitter. So go in here, pop that yellow in, and we're just gonna pop it into the sides right here. This did turn out a little bit more orange than I'd like, but I am overall happy with how this turned out. So there is that. I'm actually not going to do eyeliner today. I am just going to pop on some lashes. These are the Kiss lashes. I am obsessed with these. Like, they're full, but they're like not full. They just work. Now if I can get it open. You can buy these at Walmart. And then I think I paid $6 for this pack of 5. So I'm going to trim these up and put some lash glue on. Okay, so I just popped my lashes on, and I'm gonna go back in with the palette with all the colors in it. And I'm going to take this orange color right here, and this little brush from the Naked 3 collection. I'm just gonna take that and I'm just gonna go underneath the eye and bring it all the way around. I don't know why, but this eye is like bruised. It's just weird. And then I'm just going to add mascara to the bottom. So there is that, and then I'm just going to finish up my face with some contour and highlight. So this is the finished look, guys. My yellowy eyeshadow look. My light was dying, so we had to move over to the window. I am very actually happy with how this turned out, except for, you know, my eyebrow is not matching, but that's okay. We're having a bad eyebrow day. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I hope you come back for more videos. Have a wonderful day.